everyone, welcome back to all of you that are returning, and welcome to all of you that are new. I'm so glad to have you here. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a little kitchen cleaning, just tidy it up a little bit. I'm not going to be like sweeping and mopping and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm going to be doing this. I don't know how long this is going to take me. I don't want the video to be very long. I may get to another part of the house today. I don't know for sure. But I hope this video motivates you guys to get some cleaning done. And there was something else I wanted to say. I forgot what it was. Well, anyways, I was gonna do a laundry video today, but it's so hot outside and humid, so I just canceled that and I said, let me just, do this kitchen motivation cleaning video because it is too hot out there, guys. So, I wanted to also film the living room, but like I said, I may not get to it because I don't want the video to be very long. So, let's get started. And once again, I hope this video motivates you guys, and I also hope you enjoy it. And let's get rolling. So I'm just gonna start over here. I cleaned my car out last night. Me and the girls cleaned it out last night. So I'm just gonna put all this stuff back in here. And I like to have my own vacuum here at home, so I don't have to worry about going out to those public machines trying to vacuum my car out. So, and I like the inside of my car to stay clean. So we're gonna put all this back in here and put this back in the closet. Water here, so I can go ahead and let my dishes be soaking while I collect all the trash. I don't have that many, and this is the dish soap that I like to use. I used to use the 7th generation, but this one was cheaper and I get a whole lot more. And the reason why I like to use the natural ones because they don't leave that funny taste in the dishes after you rinse them. And a lot of times my food would taste like the soap that I wash the dishes with. So I used to buy like stuff like Ajax and Dawn and stuff like that, but they have the dishes tasting real funny. So, but these natural ones, they don't leave the dishes tasting like that. So that's why I buy the natural ones. Yeah, they cost more, but you don't get that funny taste in your food. And this is just regular Lysol that I use for my refillable bottle. So I keep this bottle just to refill it. Give it a good wipe down. And it is time for me to replace these dish rags. I got a lot of them like this. I threw a lot of them away. So I used to, they can't be used anymore.